San Jose Water serves over 1 million customers, and our service area is about 140 square miles. We have 2,400 miles of pipe, and of that pipe, about 40% is steel, 35% is ductile iron, another 15% is AC pipe, and the other 10% is cast iron and a little bit of plastic. The recent historic drought in California and the subsequent calls for customer conservation really raised awareness as well as customer expectations for San Jose Water to take proactive steps towards the effective and active control of its real water losses. As a result, San Jose Water invested in acoustic leak detection technology. This technology has quickly become a critical part of our water loss control program, and it enables us to promote the long-term sustainability of our limited water resources.
The EchoShore DX system utilizes a series of smart fire hydrant caps equipped with built-in acoustic sensors, processors, and communication boards. The smart nodes listen for and correlate any noise throughout the water network on a daily basis and report points of interest, or POIs, to an application user interface for viewing by a utility operator. An EchoShore DX node is installed using common tools and a tablet application that enables a technician to connect the node to the monitoring network. It's a quick and simple process that a technician can repeat many times throughout the day. After utility staff arrive at a hydrant, they use a hydrant wrench to remove the existing cap. The tablet application is then used to scan a barcode on the back of the node. This digitally links the node with the hydrant location. After completing this step, the node can be installed using a hydrant wrench. Once a leak detection node is installed, it is difficult to notice a difference between the smart hydrant cap and the original hydrant cap. The user interface POI layer provides a great deal of insightful data for a utility operator. The acoustic metrics and chart history enable utility personnel to view and manipulate a correlation graph, which is ideal for both novice and experienced leak detection technicians. It also provides the user with a numerical score at the end of the day, which allows them to compare and prioritize leaks based on a strength of sound provided by the correlation. And that increases confidence in properly identifying the location of a leak.
So the tools and graphs within the acoustic leak detection user interface really allow us to easily track persistent points of interest, as well as make determinations regarding field investigations. So the best part of this is that we can schedule these investigations and we can more effectively allocate our limited resources. Prior to investing in acoustic leak detection, we really assumed that leaks were typically surfacing within a few days, max within a week. However, we've found quite the opposite and actually determined that some leaks were non-surfacing for upwards of 5 years. So within 2 months of commissioning the units, we found 36 non-surfacing leaks, ranging from as small as 3 gallons per hour all the way up to as large as 30 gallons per minute. Well, I could share probably multiple stories with you where these sensors have allowed us to deliver exceptional service to our customers and the communities we serve, but probably one stands out much more than the others. Shortly after commissioning the project, the acoustic leak detection sensors identified a leak in the middle of Capitol Expressway in San Jose. For those of you familiar with this area, this is a heavily trafficked road, and any unplanned emergency repair in this area would have disrupted traffic and commutes for thousands of people. So additionally, because of its proximity to a creek, any leak on this pipe would have had a high consequence of failure because of its potential to discharge chlorinated water into the creek. So by finding this leak before it surfaced with acoustic leak detection sensors, San Jose Water was able to schedule the work outside of normal commute hours, and we're able to protect the environment. So this technology has allowed San Jose Water to better serve our customers and communities because we're able to improve the levels of service. We reduce real water losses, we protect the environment, and to date, we think we actually have saved upwards of 44 million gallons of water.